Hello, everyone. My name is Billy McNelly. I wanted to take the time out to show you how simple it is to sign up for Think Energy. Once you go ahead and grab your bill, once you have your bill in hand, there's four things you're going to look for in your bill you will need besides your regular credentials. You will need as the example I have right now, on the left-hand top corner, you will need the PAD ID number, customer key name. You're going to choose either going to be a residential or commercial, and you will need the billing cycle. On the bottom part, it shows you some of the usage and savings that we are able to get through Think Energy. Once we get to the website, the first thing we're going to do is enter in our zip code to see if we're eligible for Think Energy. Okay, hit View Offer. There it is. We are eligibility for your area. Two basic plans. We have a Think Simple 12, which is a 12-month plan, and the rate right now it is 11.60. That's the most commonly plan people would choose. There's an additional plan, which is the Think Simple 36. You're locked in. Your rates are locked in for 36 months at 12.90. As you know, UI will be going up again in the next couple months. Who knows where the rates will be at that point, but it's definitely going to go up. So you're at the right place at the right time where you can lock your rates in. Next step you will do would be whatever plan you choose to go with. You would then click on the sign up. It will bring you to create your account. At this point, you're either going to choose residential or small commercial, depends what you have. Then you would then fill up this basic information. Let's go ahead and do this. Once that's filled up, you then would hit next. And over here, it's going to ask for additional information, your bill information. Definitely the last 4 digits of your social. And from your utility bill, here is the information here we highlighted at the beginning of your bill. Your PAD number, confirm it again. Your billing cycle, whatever the bill says. I'm just going to pick number 5, that's fine. And your key name, whatever that would say on your bill. Once that is completed, everything's filled up solid, you would then go ahead. This part right here, it says upload your bill. We have not been using it. Just move forward from there. If it needs it, it'll tell you. Next. Now, finalize your enrollment. All you're going to do is confirm this information is correctly. There's no mistakes. If you did find a mistake, you'll just go back, click the button up here, and go back and correct it and submit it again. At this point, you would check this 3 boxes once everything is correct. Once that's done, you would just hit this button, confirm, and you're successfully enrolled. Just want to give you additional information. Once you're enrolled with Think Energy, you're automatically enrolled in what we call a free energy club, which gives you additional discounts. If you refer 3 people, you will get additional 10% off your supply bill. If you refer 10 customers, friends, family, tell them how great your service is, and the savings are when you refer 10 friends and family, you receive 40% off additional, and if you refer 20 friends and families, you receive 100% off your supply portion of your bill. Amazing. Please get back to the person who invited you or sent you this link, and enjoy the savings, and let's save the planet. Thank you. Hit confirm.